ukhompyutha nento umuntu athe
ana
yini
lapha akufikeki kuyona
uthi abathe hayi lutho
akufiki nakancane
sabanga abantu abapressayo yobulanda bayingakhe
yo uthi ayingeka nipress ka pressa njengale ngoma le pressa kanje yo hlala kayedwa uphika nomuntu osebenza yedwa usebenza uyayichazela le nto hey baba hayi mnandi AI yona
blind abantu nebavumayo akubi big deal ukuthi lapha mfana amanye ama elements ngoxova la
yeah
iba simple
mawuxova ama element ungaxovi vele ingoma yonke enye ngamale so it could fill the room
so it can fill the room
yakuskela
bela badala bangitshelile ithi inhlonipho yami nesibindi
abazuzi AI le voice yakho EQ it's too good man it's too dope it can't be a human being doing that nah it's definitely AI it's definitely AI yeah how it's live is asikhulume please yeah I precisely performance asikhulume silayo ngiyalidinga silayo unswempe kwevocal ngeke phela mfethu lo ngisola engathi lapha ngiyena umngani wakho yeah ungizame phela nkabela
wenzani Brian
ngifike ne MacBook yami khona uzongifakela izinto noma ngifike ne bani external ngifike nani
fana ke into engibonile
externally right yeah
so how do you deal with the latency?
It's not that much on
FM.
I think it depends on the machine as well. It's not that much on the MacBook. Ngizwe kancane but it's not lazy yeah into okuze nje kodwa into edingekayo kahle kumele sigcine sesinemachine le lo wakho yeah ukuthi phela naye vele ikutshele ukuthi hayi wara
cross mfana
Ningi imibuzo engifuna ukubuza yona silaye namhlanje ukuze ngazi ngiqale ngathi ngazigcina Ningi so many questions hey but zolo ngi-unfolda eish hayi AI AI hayi ziliqala kanjani bani limeke mfana wami awubiza lulimeke lapha hey hello guys how are you
ini ngabafethu manje izosengathele kaleni kwenda bafike nabo matala sayenza lemikuba bathi ngizobhelela bathi ngizokubeka kanjani manje bonke kaslemi bathi kula mafake babona ngipikali yami usukela kudala mina bengipanda upila ngembuya ngothi
Lizekeni lapha ya.
Bele kufiza inyembezi umshikashiko
sasimele.
Ayibasi yenembi vele ngeke silale passage oh no upila ngembuya ngothi
Nkosi yami.
Hey,